All right, guys, so we drove about 20 minutes out to get this pizza. We waited a while. Apparently, it's one of the best pizzas here in Las Vegas. Let's see if it's any good. I got these globes as well. I put them in the fridge so they're nice and cold. You guys, if you ever want to try these masks right here, if you go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, you find a lot of them here. But they were going on sale for $7.50 each. They are normally $15 to $16 each on the website, but if you go to Marshall's or TJ's, it's about 12 bucks. So it's not bad. I actually got them cheaper online because of the sale. So that's why I stocked up on them. And this right here, this mask is basically you put it on top of your mask and then you put it behind your ears. That way the mask doesn't fall off. I think these are good for like when you're traveling on a plane or something. Hey you guys, this one, the Skin Script, is really, really good. Yeah, you guys, the Skin Script one is really good. These are my favorite: Cucumber Hydration Toner and the Clarifying Toner Pads. This right here, and it's very affordable. For these two were $42, and they are affordable and have like the high end. Oh my god, that was Richard. All right guys, we got our Burger King, so we're gonna eat. So I'm in my bathroom and I want to show you how these look. So I'm going to put one on. Okay, so it comes with this little cream right here, and then you just have to pinch it and then open it. Moisturizer. So I already toned my face, and I swear I just love these masks so much. And it's so nice and cold. Oh no, I ripped it a little bit. But yeah, that's how it looks. And they're so like nice and cooling. This is the moisturizer one. Alright guys, good night and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh! You guys, look what Richard got. He got himself these bumblebees. They are headphones. And he got them from Temu for $15. We're gonna see if they're any good. It's kind of cool. Box. It's actually pretty cool. I can't believe these were $15. Oh, crap. So you guys, they actually work. Like, I just listened to some music and it works. These were $15 on Temu, and Richard found these on like TikTok, and he didn't want to buy them on the shop, so he was like, let me just check out Temu and stuff, and he's rocking them right now. They're actually okay. That's so cool. I feel like this would be such a like cool idea, like gift idea, if someone's into like obviously Transformers and stuff. I feel like even just this itself is cool, and it's metal, like it's not cheap. That's pretty cool. Hey guys, so I actually came to Chinatown to get Richard's birthday cake at Paris Baguette. That is a delicious cake, let me tell you. We always get like birthday cakes, anniversary cakes. Oh, when we're feeling a little bit like a sweet tooth, we always come to Paris Baguette. I kind of live a little bit far away from it now. I don't live downtown, obviously, so it took me about 18 minutes. And there's not like a direct freeway. I would have to either go through the strip, which right now I don't want to, because the F1 setup is there and everything. So I'm like, do I want to take the freeway or do I want to take backways? So I decided to take backways, but I gotta get the cake because I was supposed to pick it up at 1. It's 1:13, so let's go. Alright guys, I got the cake. I'm super happy with it. I'll show you when we get home. It said happy birthday, happy 34th birthday, I think. Happy birthday 34th Richard. I don't know, I forgot it, but I'll show when I get home and stuff. It's so freaking delicious, you guys. It is a chocolate strawberry cake. So good. Alright, let's go home. Alright guys, this is the cake that I got Richard for his 34th birthday. Look how delicious that looks. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this tonight. Oh, this just looks so good. It's got like strawberries, it's chocolate, and then it's cream as well. The 34th was supposed to be here. Oh well, same thing. All right guys, so we are going to Summerlin. It is Richard's birthday, so I got the bubble jacket out because it is cold tonight. It is absolutely cold, so I am going prepared. We're just gonna walk around, see if Richard wants to buy anything. He wants to go see some shoes, so I'm like, absolutely, let's go. So we're gonna have fun. We're not gonna have dinner just because we did have dinner and we're so full, so we're just gonna go to Summerlin and then come back and have some dessert, have some cake. So I'm excited about that. Right, we're in Summerlin and we're gonna go to do some shopping. Best place ever. Macy's. So, where do you want to go?
I think some of the shoe stores are like that.
Alright, let's go. Shoe shopping. This bubble jacket is so good. I got it at Forever 21 last year, but it serves its purpose tonight. A whole lot of shoes. You get to pick.
Interesting.
That's actually pretty cool. This one is even cooler. I can't wait for like the Christmas parade. I feel like that's gonna be a nice one. What's a big?
Why are we checking all the Harry Potter t-shirts? We wanted to check to see if they've got
Let's
good
go.
stuff here.
I kind of feel like they're going smaller. Oh, look at the Harry Potter thing. No, that's pretty cool.
Oh, look at it. It's like it's little.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, look at this out. Oh, that is sick. Show me. Turn around. That's so freaking cute. They're like mini ones. Mini ones.
Mini ones.
Oh my god, look. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Is that not bad?
Get one free.
Oh.
And then this thing right here also moves.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you. Literally everything is red. I feel like you look like a scientist. They're pretty cool though. Those are so cool. Look at the Harry Potter one.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a little envelope.
That is cool. Okay, you guys, it got hella cold, so I decided to put it up. But, oh my god, I can't wait to open these and see what mystery we got. So much fun! Real. Oh. I'm excited to eat the cake. Oh, that's a cute dog. I don't know, but it's so nice. At nighttime, it's so nice. That's creepier.
It is. The face kind of reminds me of those like Soleil characters.
I think that's what it is.
I think so.
They got the Christmas tree. Ah, my favorite season. We are just walking around.
It's my birthday.
It's his birthday, so we're just chilling. And they've got like these really cool like things. Oh, it's the O, I think. It's the Cirque du Soleil. Are they performing here?
I don't know if they are. We're going. We've seen this one, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
We've seen most.
That's so cool.
No wonder it's creepy.
Right. That is cool. Oh, here. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It's nice though. And then they got like that fireplace right there. You wanna go straight here? Got like a food section. Like legit, this is comfy as hell.
Is it warm?
It's so warm. It's so nice though. Did you have a lot of fun?
I did have a lot of fun actually.
And it was pretty cool just walking around, seeing like all the Christmas lights on and everything.
I love seeing all that.
It's my favorite like season, and I love it. Woo. All right, guys, we're heading back home. I cannot wait to show you like the little mini Harry Potter's. I would say that's like mini Harry Potter's collection. So can't wait. So I'll see you when we get home. All right, babe. It's your 34th birthday.
We'll light that one there.
Yeah. All right. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Richard.
Hey, the match is burning.
Go, 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 go. I'm so sorry. Goodbye. All right, you want a piece?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. It does it looks so good. All right, guys, this is delicious.
Okay, so we've got Harry Potter, Draco Malfoy, Dobby. And there's a mystery one here. It could be any one of these characters.
Who are you hoping for? Ooh, I'm hoping for Snape.
Oh, I thought that's good.
They're good. Oh. It's plastic.
That is really cool.
I like that. That's really cool. Damn.
I think we got another Harry Potter with the Quidditch. Oh, I guess the mystery ones are only these ones here.
Oh, then Snape would have been cool.
Snape.
That is cool.
One day sale deals this good won't last long.
What? That is so old school. That's actually pretty cool.
Christmas presents.
Ooh.
Presents with an S at the end.
Ooh. Is it?
Look at this. Is this the one?
Yeah, that is the one.
Okay, so
Holy
you might see something like that there.
That is my
Because you don't really
favorite
use the cream,
perfume.
do you?
Wow. Now this is a cool perfume. I think I'll just get it just because it looks really cool. Yeah. Dang, they covered everything. This is nice.
It's like a half-assed Ikea experience.
It really is. I'm in a haunted house, like in Universal Studios or something. Little world. What is this?
It's just decor, I guess.
I feel like you would feel every rock, obviously, if you go outside, but this is more like insides.
This is like when you have guests at your house and you don't want them to step on your foot.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. Oh. Bowls?
Bowls.
That's not bad.
Oh, look.
Yeah. These are good to have. I feel like this actually be perfect for the lash bombs. True. This club right now, we're gonna get some wings. That's what we're gonna go get. So let's go. We're getting some honey. I swear I can't talk today. I was gonna say honey Q. We're getting some honey barbecue wings. Are you freezing?
These pants.